All right, so you are going to need an IELTS in this process. So that one also depends on how much it costs at that moment. So check it out and then add it to your bill. Again, after you've booked your exam, you're going to go to either South Africa, India, Philippines. If you're in UK, you are okay. So as you are planning your bill, add your flight ticket to it. And then your hotel bills should come in there. You see, your food. Let's talk about your prepping. Depending on whichever question banks you want to use to learn or the group you want to use to learn, the charges come from there. So presumably you're going to use Archer, UWorld, Kaplan, Remaro, whichever group. Let's target that as $400. So now you can add up all this stuff and then you would get your own budget depending on your location. I normally say that at least between $2,000 to $3,000 should take you through the whole process of self-sponsorship. The good news is that at the end, if you are able to get a good deal and sign yourself a good contract, you get reimbursed for all these monies that you spent. Invest in your future so that you can say that I did this. See you in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe KA_selected on YouTube, K&A. TikTok, we are always here to help you. Join our live sections every Sunday, 8 p.m. Ghana time. See you. Bye.